Hey everyone, welcome back to That Custom Show. Today, I'm going to show you how to reupholster your Yamaha motorcycle seat. Easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to remove the old seat cover. Grab your trusty staple remover or a flathead screwdriver. Carefully lift and pull out the staples around the seat pan. Take your time here to avoid damaging the seat pan. Once all the staples are out, peel off the old cover and set it aside. Alright, now it's time to mark the new fabric. Lay your new vinyl material flat on a clean surface. Use the old cover as a rough guide, but there's no need for a template here. Just place the vinyl on the seat, and with your hand, hold it down firmly while you mark around hedges where you made your lines. And don't forget to include positioning marks. Next, let's sew the pieces together. If your seat has a more complex shape, you may need to cut and sew multiple pieces. Use a commercial sewing machine with heavy-duty thread to stitch the seams. Make sure your stitches are strong and even. These will need to withstand a lot of wear and tear. Once you've got your new cover stitched up, it's time to attach it to the seat pan. Place the cover over the seat, making sure it's centered and snug. Watch as Michael starts stapling from the center of each side, working your way outwards. Pull the vinyl tight as you go to avoid wrinkles and ensure a smooth finish. And there you have it. A freshly reupholstered Yamaha seat that looks great and feels even better. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching That Custom Show and see you next time.